What's the meaning of coyness? Coyness. Coyness.
Coyness. Coyness. Coyness refers to a shy, timid demeanor or reluctance to speak candidly or openly about one's feelings or thoughts. It is often characterized by a restrained or demure behavior that can be seen as coy or flirtatious. A person who is being coy may be intentionally withholding information or opinions or may simply be unsure or hesitant to express themselves fully. This behavior can sometimes be interpreted as playful or alluring, but it can also be frustrating or confusing for others who are trying to communicate with them.